The battlefield is changing. Modern warfare demands speed, precision, protection, and overwhelming firepower. To meet these demands, the United Kingdom has introduced its most advanced main battle tank to date, Challenger 3. This is not just an upgrade. This is a transformation. Asterisk for decades, the Challenger 2 was known for its legendary armor and survivability. It earned a reputation as one of the toughest tanks in the world, famously never lost to enemy fire in combat. But time moves on, and technology evolves. Asterisk to remain competitive against modern threats. The British Army needed a tank that could dominate 21st century battlefields. That answer is Challenger 3. Asterisk Challenger 3 is the result of a major modernization program led by Rheinmetall BAE Systems Land, also known as RBSL. Instead of designing a completely new tank from scratch, the UK chose to rebuild and upgrade its Challenger 2 fleet with cutting-edge technology. More than 140 Challenger 2 tanks are being converted into Challenger 3, ensuring cost-effectiveness while delivering world-class capability. Asterisk. The most significant change in Challenger 3 is its main gun. For the first time in British tank history, Challenger 3 is equipped with a 120mm smoothbore gun. This replaces the older rifled gun used by Challenger 2 and brings the UK in line with NATO standards. This new gun allows Challenger 3 to fire the latest armor-piercing and multi-purpose ammunition, dramatically increasing its battlefield lethality. Asterisk paired with advanced stabilization and targeting systems, Challenger 3 can fire accurately while moving, day or night. The tank can effectively engage enemy main battle tanks, armored vehicles, fortified positions, and long-range threats with extreme precision. Asterisk Challenger 3 features a fully digital fire control system. Both the commander and gunner are equipped with independent thermal sights, enabling true hunter-killer capability. While the gunner engages one target, the commander searches for the next, dramatically increasing combat efficiency. The thermal imaging systems provide clear vision in total darkness, target identification through smoke and dust, and long-range threat detection. Asterisk survivability has always been the heart of the Challenger family. Challenger 3 continues this legacy with next-generation modular armor derived from the famous Dorchester composite armor. This armor provides exceptional protection against kinetic energy penetrators, shaped charge warheads, and anti-tank guided missiles. The modular design allows armor packages to be upgraded in the future. Asterisk unlike Challenger 2, Challenger 3 features a brand new welded turret. This redesigned turret offers better armor integration, improved internal layout, space for advanced electronics, and enhanced ammunition handling. The turret is designed for future growth and modernization. Asterisk, despite its heavy armor, Challenger 3 remains highly mobile. It is powered by a 1,200 horsepower diesel engine, providing excellent torque and battlefield mobility. Upgraded suspension and drivetrain systems improve reliability, crew comfort, and off-road performance across all terrains. Asterisk Challenger 3 is built for network-centric warfare. Advanced battlefield management systems allow real-time data sharing with infantry units, other armored vehicles, command centers, and reconnaissance assets. This transforms Challenger 3 from a standalone weapon into an integrated battlefield command platform. Asterisk Challenger 3 is operated by a four-man crew: commander, gunner, loader, and driver. Improved ergonomics, digital displays, and automation reduce crew workload and improve situational awareness. A comfortable and alert crew performs better under combat conditions. Asterisk Challenger 3 ensures that the United Kingdom maintains a credible armored deterrent well into the future. It strengthens NATO commitments and confirms Britain's position as a modern armored power. Asterisk Challenger 3 is more than an upgrade. It is the rebirth of British armored warfare. With unmatched protection, modern firepower, and advanced digital systems,